Bride's whale. It has 3 ridges on its head. It feeds near the surface. It loves warm tropical seas. Gray whale. It is mottled and barnacle covered. It makes one of the longest whale migrations. It scoops food from muddy seafloors. North Atlantic right whale. It has rough patches called callosities. It floats often near the surface. It is one of the most endangered whales. Bowhead whale. It has a huge bow-shaped skull. It lives in icy Arctic waters. It can break thick sea ice to breathe. Spinner dolphin. It's slim and energetic. It spins high out of the water. It hunts at night with its pod. Risso's dolphin. It has a rounded head and many scars. It prefers deep offshore water. It loves to chase squid. Pacific white-sided dolphin. It's black, gray, and white with a curved dorsal fin. It surfs boat waves. It travels in lively groups. Commerson's dolphin. It's small and black and white like a panda. It lives near cold southern coasts. It darts quickly in shallow bays. Irrawaddy dolphin. It has a round face and no beak. It lives in rivers and coastal seas. It uses gentle clicks to find fish. Vaquita. It's the smallest porpoise. It lives only in the Gulf of California. It is very rare and needs help. Giant Pacific octopus. It's huge with strong arms. It lives in cold, rocky coasts. It can open jars to get food. Mimic octopus. It changes shape to copy other animals. It can look like a lionfish, flatfish, or sea snake. It's a trickster of the reef. Blanket octopus. It spreads a beautiful blanket of skin. Females are much bigger than males. It drifts through warm, open seas. Bobtail squid. It's tiny and round. It glows with help from friendly bacteria. It hides by burying in sand. Firefly squid. It lights up bright blue at night. It gathers in huge groups in spring. Its glow looks like stars in the sea. Glass octopus. It's nearly transparent. You can see its organs inside. It lives in the deep, open ocean. Mantis shrimp. It has rainbow colors and mighty claws. It can punch faster than a bullet. It sees more colors than we do. Japanese spider crab. It has very long legs. It lives deep on rocky bottoms. It looks like a walking spider of the sea. Decorator crab. It sticks shells and seaweed on its body. It makes its own costume to hide. It creeps slowly along the reef. Giant isopod. It looks like a huge pill bug. It lives deep on the seafloor. It cleans up by eating dead animals.